everyone! Welcome back po sa aming channel. Happy Wednesday! And today, mapapasugod kami sa Dollar General kasi ang dami pala naming nakalimutang bilhin sa Walmart last Sunday. Mga importanteng bagay yon na hindi pwedeng mawala. Lalo na yung gamit ni Mr. sa work niya. And katulad nung nasabi ko sa aming past videos, I think that was last Sunday, na nag-time off ngayon si Mr. dahil nga para sa aking check-up and para sa ayan siya. Nandito pala kami ngayon sa aking mga in-laws. May kinuha lang siyang shoes. So, and para dun sa first hearing dun sa kanyang
Is there gonna be more?
I don't know. You don't know. Maybe. Remember what the lady said, that if they won't be able to fix it there, you have to go directly to the court.
It should get fixed.
Yeah, hopefully. So, yung hearing nila hindi pa yun sa court, parang, what do you call that thing? It's just like a
It's called
meeting.
probate court.
Probate court. Ayun. And sana doon
Because probate court is about property, and apparently, in the eyes of the court, children are property, which is pretty weird. So are wives. Wives are also property.
whatever. About husband. Ah. You are my property. I am not your property. So anyway, ayan, sana maayos na yun. Pero yung check-up ko na dapat 11 AM ngayon, tumawag yung secretary dun sa aking OBGYN. Pinapa-reschedule nila. And wala naman na kaming availability for this week. So, na-reschedule siya for next week. So, ayan, punta na tayo ngayon sa Dollar General. Ayan, dito na tayo guys sa Dollar General. Tissue paper lang. Got it? Hey, what's that? Is it wala lang naman dinadampot. Talaga ha, baby, don't touch that. Ayan, so done na kami ditong mamili sa Dollar General. Konti lang naman yung binili namin. Mga tissue paper, paper towels. Basta konti lang.
Why don't they give us a bag for that stuff?
They're saving bags. How much did you pay? 30 something? 35?
$32.
$32. Kunti lang, $32 na agad. Sita! Say hi, friends! Suplada ka na naman, baby. What's that?
It's the cap to the
Mountain Dew? Huh? It's gonna spill them. You should drink some. Do you think it's good?
It's not good for a pregnant lady.
I'm not gonna drink it. I'm controlling now myself.
Did you tell them what you've been out of control?
Yeah, but the result of my glucose tolerance test pala, hindi ko pa na-share sa kanila. Ano naman pass. So I am...
Yeah, but she's still eating a dangerous amount of sweets.
I am cleared
And
with...
she cannot control herself.
Hoy, I'm trying to control gestational diabetes. So wala po akong gestational diabetes. Which is good. Pero yun nga napansin ko na ibang-iba talaga ako ngayon dito. I think it's the United States of America. That's your fault. You're the one who introduced me to sweet
John.
stuff.
It's the soul of John.
Ay nako, si Dizzy ba na naman? You're blaming your
It's
dad.
true. I'm not even blaming. It's
Your
just so
dad best
obvious.
friend again.
It's just obviously.
Talagang naniniwala siya na ang soul daw ng aming second baby ay galing sa best friend niya na sumakabilang buhay.
Yeah, and you never used to even eat sweets until
Yeah.
you got pregnant
That's
with
true.
John.
I really don't like eating sweets, chocolates, ice creams, anything that's so sweet. I eat it, but very seldom, very rare. And I would just try a little, then that's it. Pero ngayon hindi ko talaga siya makontrol.
So
Okay.
the soul when it goes from one body to the next, it still has certain tendencies that it takes along with it, and so the tendency of John is to have a sweet tooth, evidently. So now she has sweet tooth from John because that's in his.
No, when we were talking last night, I told you I will try not to eat
I don't really believe.
ice cream, chocolates, and anything that's
You gotta
very
stop
sweet.
buying it.
Yeah, that's what you should do. When we do grocery shopping, we should avoid buying chocolates and ice cream. So yan guys, nakauwi na kami from Dollar General and dumating na rin itong order ko from Shein. Second batch na to para sa mga damit ni babies. Hindi ko na na-i-haul sa inyo yung first batch na na-order ko. Natamad na kasi ako. So, ipakita ko sa inyo. Meron din dito mga konting dress para sa akin and konting clothes para kay Zira. Lagi dapat talagang may kasamang clothes ang mga bata. So first is ito. Dress siya. Parang ang laki. Small na to eh. Ang laki pa rin niya. Ang haba. Ba't ganun? Small na tong in-order ko. Minsan talaga hindi mo rin maintindihan yung mga sizes sa shipping. Minsan kahit medium, sakto lang. And then, another dress for the mama. Lahat to small. Ayan. Siya. Mukhang ito kakasya sa akin kahit hindi na ako preggy. And then ito ay ito para kay baby ito. Para kay second, ay hindi, para kay Zeta pala ito. Ayan. Coords siya. And for 2 to 3 years old. Ayan. With ano ba ito? Parang belt. Ito para kay baby. Swaddle. Yan. Tapos merong pa sombrero.
Hey, what are you doing?
Watching.
Poking around.
So, it's doing that. Ayan. Para ito yung kanyang isusuot pagka panganak niya. Dalawang klaseng ganito yung in-order ko. Ayan, ito pa yung isa. Parehas lang siya, magkaiba lang ng design. Swaddle and hat. Then ito ay pang regalo kay Mister. Surprise! What? What's your problem? I'm not whispering. Tapos ito dress din para sa akin. And then, ito ay para kay baby din. Cute. Tapos may headband na kasama for 1 to 3 months old. organizer. Para pagka nasa ano siya luggage, mas madaling organize at mahanap ang mga bagay natin. So yun lang ang aking in-order. Nasa 100 plus something for that. Almost $200. Hello everyone! Happy Thursday! Welcome back po sa aming vlogs. Sa aming vlog. So today is Thursday. Yun na nga sinabi ko, happy Thursday. And andito kami ngayon sa forest. So anyway, nanggaling na siya kahapon dun sa hearing nung about sa hinihingi niyang parental rights sa kanyang first daughter. Love, can you tell them what happened?
Well, she was lying. She was telling a lot of lies, and she was making the truth sound a lot worse than it was, and she was turning the truth into lies, and she was doing everything she can to make it impossible in the future, and she's just going to be fighting constantly instead of just let me see her. I even told her we don't need to do this, you just let me see her just a little bit, give her a hug, tell her I love her, give her a present. You know, we don't have to do all this, and she refused. She's not ever going to let me see her. She's gonna fight me, and even if I win, she's gonna move, and that's it.
But you said that the court will decide 7 days after? Is it
Yeah.
1 week after?
I'm gonna try to be here because we're wasting this.
So ang nangyari is, and what were the people there were saying that it's not a divorce, it's a
Yeah, they weren't interested. They really didn't care. She was doing character assassination, but the court just like, we don't care.
Ayun, yun na nga. So, medyo bitter pa siya. Halata naman dun sa kanyang mga sinasabi. Kasi yung court hearing na yun is para ma-establish kung siya talaga yung father nung bata. And hindi sila nag-care about dun sa kanilang past relationship. So, pero si ate girl is mas, yun yung kanyang, yun yung kanyang dinidiscuss. Pero tinanong naman siya kung si Richie ba yung tatay. Sabi niya, he is the donor, sperm donor, which is, ayun talaga, siya talaga ang tatay. So, anyway, baka sabihin nyo is napaka one-sided. Pero yun naman kasi talaga yung totoo. And, ayun, sana is maayos and mabigyan talaga siya ng consent na makita yung kanyang anak kasi nakakaawa siya sa totoo lang. Parang makikita mo araw-araw siya ay nagsasuffer. Then pupunta kami ng Walmart. Napapasugod kami ngayon sa Walmart dahil meron na naman kaming kailangan bilhin dahil medyo parang nakaka-experience na ako ng mga labor signs. Although kaya pa naman. So kailangan ko na talagang i-ready ang hospital bag. Sira, what you doing? So, pasensya na kayo sa aming itsura. Wala pang ligo-ligo ito. Wala pang ayos-ayos. Ilagay lang ako ng lip tint. Para medyo maging mukhang tao naman. Maaga pa. It's, 9 o'clock. Kumuha kami ng isang pack muna ng newborn diapers. Kuhaan namin ng bagong pillow. Ito si Zeta.
See my small ones, they're all big.
Yeah, they don't have... Maybe it's in the diaper section. Wala dito yung mga pambatang pillow. Si Zeta wala pa rin ligo. Yan. Cute yung mga pillow nila. So, naghahanap si Mr. ng mga pew. Find one? baby Zeta.
Hello. Get the baby a big
So ayan guys,
bowl.
daan na kami ditong mamili sa Walmart. Mabilisan lang, ano lang mga, yung kumuha lang kami ng isang pack ng diaper, newborn diapers, tapos blanket, bagong blanket ni Zeta, bagong pillow. Ano pa bang binili namin? What else did we buy? Peanut butter. Mamaya babalik na yan si Mr. sa trabaho. So it's 10:40 in the morning and ang temperature natin is 27 degrees Celsius. So ang init niya. Ang pinakamataas niya today is 31. So palapit na talaga ang summer.
Damn it, man. It's blown.
Pero pagka nag-move around ako, nawawala yung